Are you sick of having to drink that normal, nasty tap water? Well, today we've got you covered. We're going to be taking a look at the Vortopt reverse osmosis water filter system to make that water crystal clear and more healthy. Let's go. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you are new to the show, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you'd like to receive notifications. Today's episode is brought to you by Vortopt. We have the reverse osmosis system to take a look at. We're going to get it out of the box, get it installed, and see if it helps that tap water situation I've got going on. So keep in mind, all the links and details are located in the description, so make sure to check that out. And without wasting any more time, let's go get it out of the box. Right on top, we have some foam. Looks like a box of accessories. Indeed it is. We have the manual, some hoses, the top part where the water will be dispensed from, power supply, and some more mounting tools. So let's get this set off to the side. Now we get the box here out. We've also got a red hose here. And that is everything right there. This is the filter system. Some branding on this side. We have the front right here. Power buttons right here. We need to get this tape off. So everything is definitely secured in shipping. So that's a huge plus. Top, we've got the tap water, the wastewater, and the pure water valves. The front looks very nice. Oh yeah. Got the branding right here. You can flush and reset, and you got all your indicators. And of course, the very bottom we have rubber boots. Let's open this side up, and this is our filters. So you can access the filters right here. Then you get the plate that goes right back over it. So you get that red water line and your box with all of your installation pieces in it. That's everything you get in the box. Now we're gonna go and get it installed and see what we think about it. First off, we're gonna need to make a hole for the faucet. This sink does not have one, but we can easily make one. Starting off, I made a mark where I wanted it using one of the rubber seals and a Sharpie. Once I got it placed where I like it, I made a dot where the center should be, and then I traced around the inside to make a nice little bullseye. From there, we drilled out the hole, got that nice and clean. From there, we changed the bit out to one that would give us perfect circles and step up to the size that we need. and I took a file to dull the edges so they would not be sharp and end up cutting some of the wires. Once our cut was safe for the wiring, I fed it down there and installed the faucet to the top and made sure everything was nice where we needed it. Then underneath, I used some of the spacer attachments to help feed the cable through and tightened it down with the screw clamp. Once I had that nice and snug, the faucet was mounted and it wasn't going anywhere. We even give it a good wobble test to make sure, and from here we are ready to wire it up and feed our hoses to it. So we started off by tying into the tap water line. From there we went into the filtration system going into the tap water port, with the pure water port going straight up to our faucet. After connecting your tap water and pure water hoses, it's time to make a wastewater port. So we need to drill into the existing plumbing, but be careful not to drill too far. We're only going through one side of the PVC pipe. We'll check it and make sure our hole goes through and lines up with our piece. Then we will want to add the rubber seal. Just peel the back off and punch the center hole piece through. This will tighten down with these screws and nut, then line up with your hole so your wastewater will pump its waste right through that into your existing plumbing. Also creating a seal so you have absolutely no water leaks. From there we are good to go. We need to power it up and give it a shot. While the reverse osmosis water filtration system consists of a spiral flow RO filter and a 2-in-1 PA composite filter, meaning it only needs just 2 filters to achieve a filtration precision to 0.0001 UM and remove 99.99% impurities in your water, being one more step beyond pure water towards healthy drinking and saving your troubles of having to change more filters, while getting the range of 6 to 12 months on the PA sieve filter and 24 to 36 months on the RO filter. The RO filtration system features a high-end smart faucet panel, which clearly tells you real-time TDS and remaining filter life of each cartridge. So there you get to know your water. And with the auto flush system, the good performance and long service life of the RO membrane is ensured. Well, that about wraps it up for today's episode. If you're looking at getting a filter system for your water, this thing, highly recommend it. All the links and details to this system is located in the description, so make sure to check that out. And I would also like to give Vortopt a huge shout out for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. And don't forget to get in those comments and let us know what your thoughts are. Do you like using a filtration system, or are you just out there drinking out of the hose pipe like we did when we were kids? I mean, I didn't do that. Yeah, we all did. And last but not least, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you want to be notified when new content comes out. I mean, who doesn't want to stay up to date with all the new Good Tech Cheap reviews? You're missing out if you don't. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. I hope you all enjoyed it and found this review helpful. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next review. Laters.